we need to know what's currently happening. We have already know getting the previous data of AUDUSD. So since we have gotten the previous data of AUDUSD, we need to use that previous data that we have gotten to now know what's happening currently on AUDUSD, because I think that's what matters most to us currently. But hello, amazing viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode of Chat Talk, which is episode 8, we'll be talking about forex pairs. So guys, there have been a lot of forex pairs I've been looking into. There are some forex pairs I've found my interest in, that I feel that okay, we can make money from these forex pairs if we trade these forex pairs. In fact, I'm already trading. I've been holding one, like I said in my previous video, and I'm already in another pair. Like I'm holding another pair currently, which I feel that I need to share with you guys, because this is a community. I want you guys, as I'm making money, you guys are making money. As I'm investing, you guys are investing. So you guys always know my name is Chukwuka. I'm a swing trader and I'm also a stock investor. So if you've been following us before, you already know what we do here on Chat Talk episode. But if you're coming here for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, because subscribing to this channel will make you get notified anytime I post my videos. It also make you part of the community, because this channel is a community where people grow financially, a community where people learn many financial lessons. So guys, today we're going to be talking about some pairs, which is mostly like we're going to be talking about AUDUSD. Maybe we'll be looking into BTC. We'll be looking into other forex pairs. Before we move to the chart, I have a little word of advice for you guys. Please and please, never you say that you can't learn you can't achieve your financial goals. Never you say that okay, it's not possible for you to um achieve what you want to achieve. Like, why am I saying this? I'm saying this because there are some people who feel that okay, because you see someone or because you see me, I already know things about forex, I already know things about stocks. You now see yourself as someone who cannot reach to that stage. That's why I'm saying this. I want you to believe that you can reach to that stage, because this is just my 3 years in the financial market. This is my 3 years of trading forex. This is my 3 years of investing in stock. So you too can do it. I started my financial journey as at 2022. We are in 2025 currently now. So this is just 3 years. So never you feel that okay, I've been in this in 10 years, I've been in this in 20 years. You yourself can build your financial literacy. You just need to bring out time, stop procrastinating. You just need to believe in yourself that okay, if I want to be a forex trader, I can learn and become a profitable forex trader. If I want to invest in stocks, I can learn and become a profitable forex stocks investor. So your financial journey, never you say to yourself that you can't achieve those goals you want to achieve in your financial journey. I just want you to start. Just start from anywhere. Do you want to start from crypto? Start reading things about crypto, start connecting with people who are into crypto. Do you want to start with stocks? Start connecting people with people who are into stocks, start learning from them. Do you want to start with forex? Start connecting people with people who are into the forex, start learning the basics. If you don't know the basics, start from the basic. You start learning every little thing about it before you get to that level. With little time, before you're already a pro. Even though you're not a pro, you already know what you're doing. You understand? So I started from somewhere. I started from without even knowing how to analyze, without even knowing which how, like, most basic things in forex. I started from the scratch, but today I'm good at it. So that advice is what I want. No one gave me the advice. I was just there motivating myself. So but you are here, you have someone who's giving you that advice to push and try to achieve your financial goals. Never you believe or never you feel less of yourself that you can achieve it. Welcome to my chat, you guys. So like I said before, we are going to be analyzing forex pairs. We are going to be analyzing forex pairs on today's chart stock episode. And right on my screen here we have AUDUSD. We have AUDUSD. So for you guys who are just joining me for the first time, you all know the strategy I use is the top down analysis. I use the top down analysis to analyze, and the top down analysis is one of the easiest way to trade the financial market. It can navigate any instrument. It can analyze any. You can use it to analyze any instrument, be it stocks, forex, indices, synthetics, anything, any market, even the crypto market. You can use the top down analysis to analyze the crypto market. So, guys, on today's episode, like I said, we'll be looking into forex pairs. We have AUDUSD on my screen right now. So, what can you guys see on AUDUSD? These are what we can see on AUDUSD. AUDUSD has been on a bearish movement for a very long time. For now, it has been, you guys can see right from here. This is right from back 2009. AUDUSD have been bearish. Hope you guys can see it clearly. Yes, hope you guys can see it clearly. AUDUSD has been bearish since then till now. So you guys can see the historical trend line. I do call this the historical trend line. For those of you who are just joining me newly, these blue bars you are seeing on my screen are called the key levels. I draw this blue. Meanwhile, first of all, we are on the monthly time frame. The way we trade with the top down analysis is from the monthly time frame we switch to the weekly time frame. Then from the weekly time frame we switch to the daily time frame. Then from the daily time frame we go to the 4 hour where we do the executions and the rest. But currently we are on the monthly time frame. So what you see here is the key levels which I drew on the monthly time frame to spot significant support and resistance that are going to disturb us on the daily time frame and the 4 hour. So when we spot this significant support and resistance, when we are trading in the 4 hour, when we're executing in the 4 hour, we know that okay, when we market gets to these levels, we sit back. You understand? We sit back because it's like a danger zone. It's like a sign that oh, there is a very strong support on this level, or there is a very strong resistance on this level. So these are the key levels. It's very easy to draw them. You just have to place them and look left. Place them and look left. It's very easy to draw them, which I've also talked about it. I've also teach you guys how to draw it on my previous video. So if you're just watching this video, I don't need to like start explaining how to draw it. Go and watch my previous video so you can learn um how to watch it. So like I was saying, these have been AUDSD have been on a bearish movement for a long while now, and this trend line has been holding that bearish movement. This historical trend line has been holding that bearish movement. So apart from this bearish movement and the trend line, what are we also seeing here? These were how to understand the market structure of AUDUSD. So as you guys can see here, there is a strong support holding AUDUSD below. You guys understand the law of price action. When the market is bearish, it gives lower low and higher lows, lower low and higher lows, lower low and higher lows, lower lows and higher lows, lower. But it came here and it was giving equal lows. That shows that this support is very strong. Not that it's very strong. The market came the first time, it bounced off. Market came the second time, it bounced off. Market came the third time, it bounced off. Market came the fourth time, and it's bouncing off. And this support has been holding this market since 2020. You guys see it's almost like 5 years on this support. So I trade with data. I analyze with data, analyze with what have happened before. That's what makes our analysis here very strong. We trade with what data, we get data from years back, know what's happening. We don't just jump into the market blind. We know what's happening years back, know what's causing what is happening currently, because it's from the previous data you are going to use to analyze what is happening currently. So you guys can see the support has been holding it for a very long time. So what have we noticed from the monthly time frame now? We have currently noticed that AUDSD is in a bearish movement. Not just in a bearish movement, there is a strong support making it to bounce up. So it shows that when you start getting in a bearish movement, when you start getting lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and you start getting equal lows, it shows that the market is about to reverse. And this is kind of a chart pattern. If you look into it, where this is like a double, not just a double bottom, but not even a triple bottom. Not even a triple bottom. This is more like four. How am I going to say this quadratic bottom or what? This is like four times, like four significant times. This is huge. So it gives a signal, and that signal market is giving us on the monthly time frame is that AUDUSD is about to be bullish again. AUDUSD is about to break this historical trend line. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's know what's happening on the weekly time frame ASAP. ASAP, ASAP, ASAP. So you guys can see on the weekly time, everything we drew on the monthly time frame is also on the weekly time frame. That's how it is. Meanwhile, I'm using trading view for those of you who are still new to forex. This is trading view. So this is on the weekly time frame. So you can see the trend line that I drew. You can see this significant support and resistance, the key levels, they are well placed. So what's happening? Like, we need to know what's currently happening. We have already know getting the previous data of AUDUSD. So since we have gotten the previous data of AUDUSD, we need to use that previous data that we have gotten to now know what's happening currently on AUDUSD, because I think that's what matters most to us currently. But we need the previous data to make decision. But what matters most to us currently now is what's happening, what is the immediate action AUDUSD is taking. So we need to know the immediate action AUDUSD want to take. You need to know where it's heading to. So let's push down to the daily time frame. So like I said, my strategy is top down analysis, and you guys can see we started from the top. Like I said, top down analysis, we started from the top, from the monthly time frame to the weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame, we are currently in the daily time frame. All we are doing is gathering data to analyze the future price of AUDUSD. All we are doing is gathering previous data to make decision now in the present we are now. So we have gathered data. We have already know it is in a bearish movement. We have already noticed that the bearish movement is about to reverse. We have already noticed that the trend line is about to be broken, or it's already broken. We're already seeing a chart pattern due to from the law of price actions. Chart patterns means market chart patterns like double top, um, inverse head and shoulder means market reversal. You understand? Chart patterns like that means market reversal. Market is reversing back to where it's coming from. So now we are in the daily time frame. We need to watch closely. I'm already on this trade, so that's why you see my, what did I call it? I do forget, after being in this financial market for years, I still forget the name of this. You guys will help me with the name of this in the comment section. So I've executed this trade. I'm currently on this AUDUSD trade. So this guy can see there's a break of this historical trend line that I showed you guys from the monthly time frame. So let's go to the monthly time frame again, just for you guys to remember. This is that same trend line. You understand? This trend line is filled with a lot of data. You understand? As it's standing on its own, it's data on its own. It's showing us that, okay, I have been holding this trend for a long time, and currently market has broken me. You understand? So let's go to the daily. Let's go back to the daily time frame. Let's go back to the daily time frame. Go back. Let's go back to the daily time frame. So now market broke this trend line, and you guys know how we trade with the top down analysis. We don't just trade the breakout of a trend line, we trade the retest of a trend line. We trade the retest of a trend line. So you guys can see market retested this trend line. Market has retested this trend line, and I executed it immediately. Market retested the trend line. And where are we heading to? We are heading over here, first of all. And you guys can see, if you guys remember, if you have been paying attention to what I have been saying, if you have been paying attention to what I have been saying, this blue bar is a danger zone. I drew them from the monthly time frame. So if market is getting there, I know that is a danger zone and I'm going to take out my profits. Definitely, I'm going to take out my profit. I'm not joking with it. So you guys can see that that's where my take profit is. So this blue bar is where my take profit is. I think this trade is like how many pips? How many pips are we getting? Are we bagging on this trade? 362 pips. 362 pips on this trade alone. We're getting 300 and let me check if I'm correct. Yes, let me check if I'm correct. Yes, we're getting 362 pips on this trade alone, and we are taking our profit at this blue bar. Me, my first take profit because I like being conservative. I like being conservative because markets may sometimes be very, 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 very rational, very, very volatile. You understand? Something may happen. So I do put my first take profit at the 100% retracement. I do put my take profit at the 100% retracement, but after the 100% retracement, there's nothing that is going to stop AUDUSD from getting to this blue bar, which is 0.69190. There's nothing that is going to stop it. If market should break this 100% retracement right here, right above here, if market should break this 100% retracement, then we are going above here, which is 0.69146, which is our total total take profit of 362 pips. So if you're ready to bag this 362 pips with me, be ready to not be ready. I won't say be ready. You should be in this trade currently now. You should be in this trade because I'm already in this trade because I want to come here to tell you guys what I'm not in already. I'm already in this trade. So you can also use my take stop loss, which is few. Let me zoom in. Stop loss is 0.64329. 0.64329. Please, please, please apply risk management. Apply risk management. I'm 80%. My analysis on this trade is 80% bullish and 20% bearish. So I always give my trades a benefit of doubt, a 20% benefit of doubt, but I'm 80% sure that it's going to go my way, but I give myself 20% benefit of that. So you should apply risk management because I applied risk management because I'm currently risking 3% of my account on this trade. Currently risking 3%. So you should know your risk appetite. You should know how much you can afford to lose. I say it again. You should know how much you can afford to lose. So know how much you can afford to lose. Okay, this is your risk appetite. This is how much you can afford to lose. Good. Use what you can afford to lose on this trade. Like I said, our first take profit is 0.66877. Then our last take profit is 0.69146. That's for AUDUSD. AUDUSD has broken the historical trend line. I'm just giving you guys a recap. It has broken this historical trend line and it's about to be bullish for the meantime. So I don't know, if you ask me, I don't know if it's going to break above this blue bar. I don't know. I just need the market to just make that decision. Then if after making a decision, then I'm not going to know my next level. But for now, I'm going to stop under the blue bar first. So when market want to do anything you want to do, you may break it, good and fine. I'll be happy if it break it. If it doesn't break it, I just need, give me any which way it want to go. You should just give me a setup. So that's it for AUDUSD. That's it for AUDUSD. Let's look into another pair. Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD. Let's talk about Euro USD. I think Euro USD want to do something, but it's not that ready. I don't see any good setup on Euro USD because I don't think it's ready. NSD USD. I'm currently holding this trade. Let me show you guys. I executed this trade from here. Most of you who are watching this video from Twitter should know what's happening. Most of you who are watching this video from Twitter should know what's happening. Should know what's up because I executed this trade. It's like it's a sniper entry. It's a sniper entry. I executed this trade right from here. Let me zoom in. I excluded NSD right from here, right from this bearish candle, and I have been holding till here for a month plus, or should I say 2 months? For 2 months now, I've been holding it. So most of you who came from Twitter should know what's up because I posted it on Twitter. So if you're here and you're here to follow me on Twitter, you will see the link to my Twitter, my social media handles, and that you check the description of my channel, or you check it for the links down below on this video. You see on the description of this video down below, you're going to see the links to my socials, or you go to the description, you follow me on my socials, because I always just post like anything that's happening currently in the market. You want to get information right from me immediately, because here on YouTube I have to like sit, create videos, then post for you. But on my socials, immediately I just type post. Is there, if there's any update I need to update you guys, anything you need to hear, any information you want to get from me ASAP. And you can also reach out to me on my social media DMs if you have need any explanation from me. You want me to, explain some certain things to you. You can also reach out to me. My DMs are open to you guys for now. For now, you have to utilize it. It's open for now, because as we go on, it's not going to be open like that, because definitely it's not going to be open always, and you have to like pay for consultation and the rest. I'm serious, you have to like pay for consultation. But for now, no, I'm not interested in now. I'm not interested in paying for consultations and the rest. Come to my DM, you're free, utilize it. You understand? I don't think I'm interested in consultation, but utilize it now, because I may change my mind tomorrow and put fee for consultations. So now you have the opportunity to DM me. Just do so. I'm going to reply. I'm always active. I'm going to reply you ASAP. ASAP. So on NSD USD was what I want to show you guys before. US oil, all these spells are still cooking, more or less. I just need to like forecast it. I don't like doing most of the forecast. I like showing you guys immediate things that are happening. I don't know, should I forecast it for you guys? If you ask me to forecast, I don't like forecast, because most times if I should tell you that it's bullish, you don't go and keep your mind that it's bullish. You go buying, and meanwhile I'm not buying. I just say that it's bullish. You use because um I say that it's bullish, Chukuka say that it's bullish, you just go and buy. I don't like something like that. But if you guys want me to be forecasting, just comment on the drop your comments on the comment box. Let me know which one you guys like, because I want to be doing things that is favoring this community. I want to be doing the things that this community likes. You understand? So you're part of this community. You're part of making decisions in this community. So comment it below how you want me to be, doing it. You want me to be forecasting, because I like doing the immediate one, what's happening currently. I like seeing what's happening currently. So let's look at BTC. Let's look at BTC. Let's look at BTC. So you guys can, my BTC chart is looking messy. My BTC chart is looking too messy. When last did I come here? That is, guys, I don't always come to my charts. I don't always come to my charts. That's bad. I do just draw it once. I think most of the things that I drew here was from last year. I don't really come to my chart. Let me show you guys. Okay, that's cool. So BTC, what's happening in BTC? As you guys can see, BTC is on a bullish trend. Yeah, even though you ask a 5 years old, he's going to tell you that this market is bullish. Definitely, it's showing. It's obvious that it's bullish. You understand? So let's go to the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame. What's happening? What are we seeing? We are seeing higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs. Is it like that? I think higher highs and lower highs, higher highs and lower highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. You guys should not mind me. I'm kind of confused when saying that. I think higher highs and lower highs. Or you just, I hope you guys understand what I mean. It's going up, it's pulling back, it's going up, it's pulling back. That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. So as you guys can see, it's on the weekly time frame. there is a double top. This is a double top. This is a double top. If you want to know what a double top means, go back to my previous video. There's a detailed video I talked about everything I say here. So go watch my previous videos. I can't remember that video, but I'll try my best to put the link on the description of this video. I'll put the link on the description of the video. So check for the link. You can go back and hear everything I said about my strategy, on every word I say here about my strategy, so you could understand them. So you guys can see this is a double top. And what did the double top means? A double top means a market reversal. Market is reversing. So currently Bitcoin is bullish, it's on a bullish trend, but this double top I'm afraid. I'm afraid, guys. I'm afraid for not just I'm not afraid for myself, but I'm afraid for crypto traders who are holding BTC. I'm afraid for them because um, it's looking bearish from the top here. It's looking bearish from the top here, and a lot of liquidity are going to be borne out. So a lot of money are going to be borne out if this market should break this neckline. Like I said, neckline. If you want to know what neckline means, go back to my previous video. This market is going to break this. If market break this neckline, then I'm sorry. BTC may first of all come to 98,000, then definitely may come to 74,000. And if 74,000 could not hold it, we should be expecting 50k for BTC. This is a forecast I'm doing now. I'm doing a forecast on BTC. If BTC should break this neckline, then we should be expecting 98 first, then we should be expecting 77, then after 77 we should be expecting 50. But I don't think it will really get to 50, because let me draw my trend line. Let me draw my trend line. Let me draw my trend line. Sorry guys, this video will be a bit lengthy. I just want to make things detailed. I know I talk a lot. I don't think it's going to get to 74. So see what's happening in BTC. BTC is bearish, and the bearish movement currently depends on this neckline. So if we should break this neckline, then we are coming to 98. Then if we should come to 98, 98 will decide if we are going to come to 74. So if this trend line breaks, we are definitely come to 74. So this trend line is something that is going to hold BTC and still push it up. So there will be a lot of liquidity on this trend line. So, but if this trend line fails, to hold it, then I'm sorry for crypto traders. I'm sorry for them, because they're gonna cry. They'll definitely cry. So that is all I have for you guys on today's Chat Talk episode. AUDUSD, we are bullish on it, and I'm already in it. BTC, we are expecting a bullish movement. If a bullish setup should play out on BTC, I'm going to come up here to update you guys. Like I said, follow me on my socials, because most of all my updates, fast updates, I drop it on my socials. YouTube I have to like sit down, create a video, then post. But when you want to get like fast update, you also get it from my socials. So always follow me on my socials. So that's all I have for you guys on today's chat episode. You guys, my chat episode is always weekly. It's a weekly episode. So if you want to change your financial journey, you want to start your financial journey, you want to change your life, you want to change your the way you, how am I going to put it, you want to change yourself, change how you see yourself. Because like I said earlier this video, you need to first of all believe in yourself. Stop making anyone say that you can achieve any financial goals. You can achieve them. You just need to start from somewhere. You just need to know how to start. So if you want to start from somewhere, if you're ready and you believed in yourself that you can get your financial education right, you can start being that financial guru. You can start being that financial, that person who is making, how am I going to put this? Like that person who is profitable in forex, that person who wants to be a profitable stock investor, that person who wants to be a profitable crypto trader, and the rest. You can achieve that. All you just need to do is stick to this my chat talk episode, because I'll be dropping a lot of things for you guys. My major aim of creating this is that I want to just help struggling um youths who want to get into the financial industry. I want to help people who are already in this financial industry who don't know their way. I want to help them, guide them, structure them into the right path, tell you the truth, because I want to build this community on truth. You understand? I want to build this community on truth. So if you want to be part of this train, if you want to be part of this I'm not going to call it this brigade of financial experts, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you stick to this channel. Every week I'm going to come up here to drop something for you guys. Even though it's not about charts, I'm going to come up here with a lot of valuable informations that can help you grow, that can help you start your financial journey. Please and please, you need to take your financial life seriously. You need to take it very seriously. It's very important. It's very, very important. So start now. You need to just start now. Stick to my YouTube channel, subscribe so you get updated, follow me on my socials. Just anywhere you are confusing. Are you confused in crypto? Are you confused in stocks? Are you confused in forex? Just DM me. Even though I can't help you in Nepal, I know someone who is going to help you. That's just it. You need to connect. First, see, one thing is, if you're trying to get into something, you need to connect with people who are into that thing. That's the easiest way to get into something. Connect with the people who are into that industry. We are in that industry. Connect with them. Once, even though there's something you want to learn about, there's something you want to know. Even though I don't know it, I know someone who knows it, and I'm going to help you with that. So that's what I'm here to liberate you all. You understand? I'm here to help you guys achieve those goals you want to achieve. I'm not asking you for any money. I'm not asking you for anything. I'm just here to, I want serious minded people. So make sure you follow this channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to come here every week to give you guys valuable information and also drop my chat talk episode. So if there's anything you feel like you want us to be doing on this channel, you want me to be talking about on this channel, please comment it on the comment box, because if you comment it, I'm going to see them, I'm going to read them, and I'm going to talk about them. So make sure you comment those things you feel like we should be doing on this channel. Comment it. But mostly for now, we are doing the chat talk episode, and I'm going to be dropping different videos on about different topics and different information. So make sure you stick to this channel. So thank you guys for watching my video today. I'll see you guys next week. It's another banger. So make sure you're in this AUDUSD trade. Make sure, and please apply risk management. Bye guys.